In this example, we're going to go ahead and use the horizontal line test to determine whether each graph is a one-to-one function. And so before we just jump into that, because it is a really simple process, I just want to go over why we would even use a horizontal line test, right? So the definition of a one-to-one function, right, is where every x value corresponds to a y value, and every y value corresponds to every x value. So if we look at example B, right, and I'm going to take my horizontal line right here, and I'm just going to kind of place it right here. All right, so if we look at this here, our horizontal line touches our function at two places, right here and right here. And I'm just going to make up these numbers right now. So like I'm just going to say that intersection right there is like at -2, 3, and then this right here is going to be 2, 3. So by definition, again, a one-to-one function is every x value corresponds to one y value, and every y value corresponds to only one x value. And look, we see -2 goes with 3, and 2 goes with 3. But now if we go the other way around, 3 goes to -2, and 3 also goes to 2. Wait a minute, that just violated the definition. Because by definition, every y value should only go to one x value. But we can see that the 3 goes to 2, and the 3 goes to -2. Right? So we don't have to plot points though. See, we can see that if our horizontal line intersects our graph more than once, then we can automatically say that it's not going to be one-to-one. So that's kind of why we use the horizontal line. It's a really quick way of testing that. So if we did it for, if we did that for part A now, see how like it only touches it once. Now here, it may look like it touches it twice. The behavior of this function is a cubic function, right? So I mean, this may be something like I don't know, maybe x -4 to the power 3 or something like that, where this right here would be the intersection at 4, 0. But it's going to have that cubic shape right here. So it actually only intersects one time right there. So it's actually pretty important to know. So this first one, oops, I keep selecting that instead there. This first one right here is one-to-one. This one's not one-to-one. And this one, as you can see, is not one-to-one. And this one is not one-to-one. So we really only have one yes right there, but we have no, and no. And that's based off of the horizontal line test.